Imagine waking up one morning to find that your bank account has been emptied overnight. This is the reality of system hacking. System hacking has become a significant threat in today's digital age. With every passing day, the number of cyber attacks increases. These attacks can lead to financial loss, data breaches, and even national security threats. This essay will delve into the world of system hacking, explaining what it is, how it is done, and measures to protect against it. System hacking refers to gaining unauthorized access to computers and networks. Hackers exploit system vulnerabilities. They manipulate these systems to steal information or cause harm. System hacking can have dire consequences on personal and organizational levels. It is crucial to understand the methodologies behind hacking to protect your systems effectively. In the following sections, we will explore various hacking methodologies. Real-world examples will be provided for better understanding. We will also discuss the importance of cybersecurity and offer practical protection tips. By the end of this essay, you will have a clearer understanding of system hacking and how to safeguard against it. System hacking is the act of exploiting weaknesses in computer systems and networks. A hacker is someone who uses technical skills to break into systems. The goal can be to steal data, disrupt operations, or cause other types of harm. System hacking involves unauthorized access, which violates privacy and security. Hackers use different tools and techniques to achieve their goals. They might use malware, phishing, or social engineering. These methods help them gain access to sensitive information. Once inside, they can steal data, install malicious software, or sabotage the system. System hacking is illegal and unethical. It poses significant risks to individuals and organizations. In simple terms, system hacking is like trying to break into a locked house. The hacker uses various tools to pick the lock or find another way inside. Once inside, they can steal valuables or cause damage. The same happens in the digital world, but instead of a house, it's a computer system. Understanding what system hacking is can help you recognize and prevent it. It's essential to stay informed about the different methods hackers use. In the next section, we will discuss these methodologies in detail. This knowledge is the first step in protecting yourself from cyber attacks. There are several techniques that hackers use to infiltrate systems. One common method is phishing. Phishing involves sending deceptive emails to trick users into revealing sensitive information. These emails often appear to come from trusted sources, making them hard to detect. Another method is malware. Malware is malicious software designed to damage or gain unauthorized access to systems. Types of malware include viruses, worms, and ransomware. Once installed, malware can steal data, monitor activities, or even lock users out of their systems. Social engineering is also a popular hacking technique. This method manipulates people into divulging confidential information. Hackers often pose as trustworthy individuals to gain access. For example, they might pretend to be IT support to get a user to reveal their password. Lastly, brute force attacks are another technique. In these attacks, hackers use software to guess passwords repeatedly until they find the correct one. This method can be time-consuming but effective if the password is weak. By understanding these methodologies, you can better protect your systems from potential attacks. Section 4. Examples. Real-world examples of system hacking highlight the severity of the threat. One notable case is the 2013 Target breach. Hackers gained access to Target's network through a third-party vendor. They stole credit card information from over 40 million customers. The breach resulted in significant financial loss and damaged Target's reputation. Another example is the 2017 Equifax breach. Hackers exploited a vulnerability in Equifax's website software. They accessed personal information of 147 million people. This included social security numbers, birth dates, and addresses. The breach had long-lasting effects on the victim's financial security. The WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017 is another significant case. This attack targeted computers running Microsoft Windows. Hackers used ransomware to encrypt files and demanded payment in Bitcoin to unlock them. The attack affected over 200,000 computers in 150 countries, causing widespread disruption. These examples show that hacking can have serious consequences. They underscore the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. By learning from these incidents, organizations can improve their defenses. In the next section, we will discuss why cybersecurity is crucial in today's digital age. Section 5. Cybersecurity Importance. Cybersecurity is vital to protect sensitive information and maintain the integrity of systems. In today's digital world, almost everything is connected to the internet. This connectivity makes systems vulnerable to cyber attacks. Effective cybersecurity measures can prevent unauthorized access and protect against data breaches. Protecting personal information is one reason cybersecurity is essential. Hackers can use stolen data for identity theft or financial fraud. This can have devastating effects on individuals. Strong cybersecurity practices help keep personal information safe from hackers. For organizations, cybersecurity is crucial for maintaining trust and reputation. A data breach can lead to financial loss, legal consequences, and reputational damage. Customers expect their data to be protected. Failing to do so can result in losing customer trust and business. National security is another reason cybersecurity is important. Cyber attacks can target critical infrastructure, such as power grids and communication networks. Protecting these systems is vital for national security. In the next section, we will provide practical tips to protect against system hacking. Section 6. Protection tips. Protecting against system hacking requires a proactive approach. One effective way is to use strong, unique passwords. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Another tip is to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Even if a hacker gets your password, they would still need the second factor to access your account. This significantly reduces the chances of unauthorized access. Keeping software updated is also crucial. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Hackers exploit these vulnerabilities to gain access to systems. Regularly updating your software helps protect against these attacks. Lastly, be cautious of phishing attempts. Always verify the sender's email address and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Be skeptical of emails asking for sensitive information. Educating yourself and your employees about phishing can prevent these attacks. By following these tips, you can enhance your system's security and reduce the risk of hacking. Section 7. Conclusion. System hacking is a significant threat in today's digital age. It involves exploiting vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to systems. Understanding the different methodologies hackers use is crucial for effective protection. Real-world examples highlight the severe consequences of hacking. Cybersecurity is vital for protecting personal information, maintaining organizational trust, and ensuring national security. Practical tips like using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, keeping software updated, and being cautious of phishing can enhance security. As technology continues to evolve, so do the methods of system hacking. Therefore, staying informed and adopting robust security practices is essential. Let's commit to better cybersecurity practices to protect ourselves and our information. Together, we can minimize the risk of system hacking and create a safer digital environment.